Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Happykids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Play-Doh caterpillar. Caterpillars are so cute, and the best part is when they turn into beautiful butterflies. Here's what you need to get started. You need pink, orange, green, blue, and white Play-Doh. Let's get started. First, let's start off by making the body of the caterpillar. The caterpillar's facial features and antennas. Cute little caterpillar. I think I'm going to call him Tenny because he has two cute little antennas. Get it? Did you know that antennas are used for smelling? What a cool little fact. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Be sure to come back to see what I'm creating next time here on Happy Kids. See you later.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.